Look, do not be ashamed that you cannot flat twist. It is okay. It's okay if you're struggling, because guess what? I'm here to help you. So just go to the video. Go ahead. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Sydney. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Sydney. I do hair content and more. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell that goes right beside it so you get notified every time that I post. Now, to get to today's video, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to flat twist. I already have a flat twist hairstyle video. You guys can go check that out. And but I did get a comment saying that they wanted to see an actual flat twist tutorial, so here I am, give you guys a flat twist tutorial. So I'm just gonna take this little headband off. So first I'm gonna part my hair. Hey everybody, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover. So all I did was I took a section of the hair and I split it into two pieces. So now I have two pieces, as you guys can see. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross those two pieces or rotate. And when I say rotate, I mean twist, go around. And right now I'm just adding a little hair to start off with. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that top piece and I'm going to wrap it around the bottom piece, or twist it around the bottom piece. So now the bottom piece is on top and the top piece is on the bottom. And I'm just gonna keep on rotating, and as I'm rotating, I'm just gonna add even more hair. And to make sure that I have separated the two pieces, I'm just gonna put my finger in between them to make sure that I have two pieces the whole time. And as you go down, you're just going to keep on rotating, putting the top piece on the bottom or wrapping the top piece around the bottom. You're just going to keep on doing this as you go. And as you guys can see here, I did the exact same thing to the top piece, wrapped it around the bottom. And as I go, I'm grabbing even more hair. And to make sure that my hair is not tangled, I comb my hair out before. And it's better when your hair is combed out as well. But yeah, and then for the rest of the pieces, I'm just going to twist it regularly. And y'all, it is okay if you guys do not get it the first time. You guys can always pause this video, or I did try to explain it the best that I can, and you guys are going to see another example in a minute. Okay y'all, so here, as you guys can see, I have my two pieces. I'm going to twist and rotate them, but instead of taking the top and putting underneath the bottom, I'm going to take the bottom and put it over the top. So I'm going to rotate and twist the bottom over the top, so the bottom is not on top and the top is on the bottom. So I'm just going to go put it over and over, as you guys can see, and keep on rotating and twisting and grabbing more hair as I go, and separating the two pieces with my finger. But yeah, I'm just going to take the bottom piece and put it over the top instead of the other way where I took the top and put it under the bottom. So this is just two ways that you can do it. And I'm just going to keep on rotating and twisting and twisting. Okay everybody, so I just showed y'all two different ways that you can flat twist. This is the over method right here. As you can see, it kind of went over, and this is the under method. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these. I hope this video helped you with how to flat twist. And if you want to see more content from me, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for some more natural hair videos, because I'm ready to give it to you. I'll see you guys in the next video.